Hey everyone! I'm excited to show you how our Copilot Invoice Agent simplifies the way you handle invoicing with just a few natural commands. Copilot is fully secure and integrates with platforms like QuickBooks, Tally, Razorpay, so your entire invoicing workflow stays in sync. Now we will see how our agent works. Let's say I want to generate an invoice for a client. I just tell Copilot what I need. Now we have written all the information. Let's send this email to our AI agent. Here's what happens behind the scenes once the AI receives this email. The AI extracts the email content and identifies key values like item count, price, taxes, and payment details. It uses NLP to structure this data into a standardized invoice format. Then, it auto-generates a branded invoice in PDF format. And here's the cool part. The AI just sent a reply. You've got a clean professional invoice ready to go. Logo, line items, GST, auto-calculated. Everything's laid out perfectly, whether it's one product or 100. No edits, no back and forth. The AI reads, understands, and responds instantly. If you're someone who hates repetitive tasks, or you're scaling a business and need invoicing off your plate, this is a game changer. Give it a try or shoot us a mail. We'd love to help you automate your workflow.